What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you guys how you can go from a nobody to making your first 10 or 12 or even 15K per month in pure profits, right? And why would you want to listen to me? Well, I do exactly that. I make over 10 to 15K every single month with my business. I travel the world, I go to cool places, I hang around with cool people, and I drive nice cars. And you're watching this video for a reason because this is what you want to get. This is where you want to go to. This is your goal at the moment, right? But right now, you are not there yet because you are Dave and you're basically drinking. You're probably in college or working a minimum wage job, just like I was doing back in the days, smoking, drinking, wasting my life. And something has to change, right? You only have $9 in your checking account and pretty much have zero followers. You are a nobody, which is okay. We've all been there and we all want to become somebody. And in this video, I will explain to you how you can go from a nobody to living a cool life, making over 10, 15K per month. So the first step in order to achieve this goal is find out what your Ikigai is. This is a Japanese method and it basically tells you what you should be doing with your life and how you are going to make money with it. And it's a combination of these four things. So, what do you love? What is something that the world needs? How can you be paid for it or can you be paid for it? And what are you good at? So, you want to answer these questions. And if you want to learn more about Ikigai, I highly recommend you watch a video on it as it can open a whole different world for you. And this is also how I realized that the stuff that I like doing every single day is something I can make insane amounts of money with. So the core things are passion, purpose. Is there a market demand? Because, of course, you don't want to start a business around something that nobody wants because it's going to be very hard to make money. So figure out something that the world needs or the world wants because that will be easier for you to make money and get paid, which at the end of the day is the goal of this video. So get super clear on your Ikigai. I would highly recommend you spend some time on this as it's just super important and will give you a lot of clarity. Now, the next step in order to go from a nobody to a somebody is your network, right? A lot of people say it all the time, your network is your net worth. And it's basically true. Because let's say you're Dave and you're still hanging around with your high school friends or your old town friends, and they're all smoking, drinking, doing drugs, and basically just wasting their life. Do you think you will actually become successful by hanging around with these people? Let me know. I don't think so because they're basically bringing you down. They're not your real friends because real friends will actually encourage you to do something if you really want to do it. And where do this group of people get you? They will bring you back to where you currently are, being broke, zero followers, drinking, basically just wasting your life. And if you're watching this video, you're watching it because you don't want to be like that anymore and you have to make a change. So, how do we change this, right? We want to hang around with the people that are in business or wanting to start a business and improving themselves. Think of people that are going to the gym, that are in communities. And if you want to do it paid, you can even pay for coaches or a mentorship because that's a super easy way to meet new high level people that can help you get to your goal quicker, right? You want to put yourself out there, start talking to people that are interested and already doing something that you want to do and are very good at it. And it only takes a couple DMs on Instagram or TikTok in order to find these people and build that network, right? Nobody is going to find you if you don't put yourself out there. So, really important here, put yourself out there as that's how you can make a better network. And as you know, your network is your net worth. Now, once you surrounded yourself with better people and you start working on your health and your business and you start learning about business, I think the next step is building an offer. And one book that can definitely help you build out the offer, if you haven't read it yet, I highly recommend you buy it now. Like I will put the link underneath this video so you can buy it more easily. But make sure to buy this book because it helps you identify a problem, develop an offer around the problem, so basically the solution, and it will also teach you how to test and refine your offer and add different things such as bonuses, guarantees. Everything you need to know about creating an offer is in this book. But in order to create the offer, you have to know what the problem is that you're going to be solving. And you want to make sure that it's an easy problem to solve or a hard problem you solve. The harder the problem you solve, the more money you can get paid at the end. And my favorite way, and also the way how I make my money, is I provide a service. And the benefits about providing a server is you only exchange your time for money, right? When we do e commerce or we do businesses with physical products, we need an inventory, we need to do paid ads, we need to do A lot of money is going down the drain if it doesn't work. And with a service offer, the only thing that goes down the drain is your time. It literally has a zero upfront cost, and it's also easy to deliver once you get good at it and build out the team. So now that you got clear on your offer, you want to start putting yourself out there through social media. As you can see, all the bigger guys, Alex Ramosi, Gary Vee, they're all on social media for a reason. They want to sell what they offer through their brand. And you want to build out that brand as well. And you want to get super clear on how are you going to position yourself within the market, right? Because if you optimize your social media accounts for your business, it will be super, super easy to get clients by doing cold outreach on DMs. So go hard on every single social media platform you know. Post on LinkedIn, post on Twitter, post on Instagram, and basically flex your knowledge. Because by flexing your knowledge, people will see the videos, people will see the content, and it will be easier to convert them into clients. I spoke with Caleb, and you also want to share your journey. Caleb Rawson is basically Alex Hormozzi's creative director, and one thing that he said that stood with me was you have to share your journey and you have to be vulnerable. The reason why Alex Hormozzi and Leia Hormozzi getting so many views is because they position themselves very vulnerable. They talk about their failures and about their success and everything in between, right? And that's why people like them so much, because they basically share every single thing they know and they experience in their life of having a business. And if you think that by posting 5 videos you will go viral and get your first client, scrap this whole mindset. The key here is being consistent. You want to post every single day, maybe even twice a day for at least a year before you probably get your first client. If you are very well at social media and you know what you're doing, then it will probably be easier for you to get a client within like 2 to 3 months. But yeah, be consistent, don't give up, because this is a proven way and this is working for so many people. Posting on social media can literally make you rich, or at least 10 to 15K every single month. So, if you want to learn more about how to get views and also go viral on social media, click the link down below. I will leave my ebook on how to go viral. It's absolutely for free. You can just click it, download it, and read through it. And maybe it will help you to start posting your first video and get your first million views. So, highly recommend you do it if you want to get a head start of other people. If not, all good, no worries. I'm just here to provide value for free. Now, what you want to do next is, since you already have the personal brand and you build out that credibility, you can start DMing people. Because if you have no personal brand and you're a nobody, just like Dave, and you start DMing people about, yo, I have this crazy offer, I can help you grow on social media, but you only have 300 followers, then nobody's going to believe you and nobody's going to trust you. Because we want to build trust, and the way we build trust is using our social media, right? Because the more trust we build, the easier it will be for people to buy from us. So, besides building trust, it also builds a lot of credibility, because posting on social media, showing what you do on social media, shows people that you actually know what you are doing, and it will make it more easy to buy from you. And then the hard work begins, because you probably don't have any money for ads or any crazy software that will get you leads. So you have to start doing cold outreach. And if you think that sending 1 or 2 DMs every single day will be enough, you're wrong. Sending cold DMs is basically a numbers game, and the more you do, the more you will get out of it. So start sending DMs. I'm currently sending about 250 DMs every single day using the software, but that's a video for another day. Right now, you just have to accept the fact that you are going to be doing cold outreach yourself and do at least 20 to 50 DMs every single day once you've built out that personal brand, right? Once you build up that following with videos explaining what you do or showing exactly what you do, because then you will start getting replies. As I said before, if you are a nobody, you are not going to get any replies from anybody, as they don't trust you and they don't know who the fuck you are. Further down the line, of course, we can dive into paid ads and you can start using your money to make more money, and you have another leverage, right? Because at the moment you're broke and the only leverage you have is time. But once you start making some money, you can use that money and leverage it to make more money. And that's the end goal, because then it's infinite on how you can scale, right? You can make as much money as you want by using the money in the right way. Now, the combination of all these things, right? My personal brand on TikTok, sending cold DMs, and my personal brand on Instagram led me to this crazy lifestyle, right? Making over 10 to 15K every single month with pure profits, spending time with people who have crazy cars, filming them, helping them grow on social media, traveling the world to crazy places. Like this is a picture in Greece in a jacuzzi with my laptop. Like this is what you want, guys. And by following this step and specifically going hard on cold outreach, this is how you are going to get there. So my call to action to you is basically start posting 1 to 2 videos every single day, starting today, about what you want to do once you get clear on the offer, right? You don't want to start posting about something that you don't know. So follow this exact step, find out what you want to do in life, figure out who is around me, right? Who is going to help me? Are my friends helping me? No, cut them out. I know it sounds harsh, but it will actually help you progress in life. Then, once you have the right network, find out what the problem is, solve the problem by providing a service, as it's, in my eyes, the easiest business model, and then start blowing up your personal brand, right? Once you have the personal brand, start doing the DMs, and then you can make money. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe me, as I'm giving away everything I do for free on my YouTube channel. And maybe in the next video, I will explain to you guys how I send over 500 DMs every single day, automated, so I don't even have to do it myself, with a crazy software that I use. And if you have any questions in regards to social media or how to go from a nobody to making your first 10K per month, make sure to leave it in the comments. I'm here to help, and I'm here to provide value to your guys. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.